Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we had a pretty slow day. I'm not going to lie. So we opened up higher. You can see, right? We basically bounced from here. So what I guess a lot of people are still trying to see is, are we still in this range? Technically, we are still in this range, guys. Nothing has changed. This is all still within this range, right? Uh, so how many points would this be? Basically, it's like 15-point range, 16-point range, right? So we really need to see actually where we are headed, but also you can see in the basically from morning to evening or afternoon, we just tapered at the top right here, right? So we have to really see if there's any continuation up from here, and if we stay in this green buying, right, and are able to close this cup right here all the way up here, right, and then form this handle, and then keep heading up, and that would give us the continuation up, right, and a clear direction for the market, right? But still, right now, we cannot fully confirm or anything for the clear direction for the markets, right? So patience is still at play, right? And really, even trading today, you just have to be really patient. And even if you didn't trade, that's perfect, right? But you notice that we are building that liquidity within this pink, so we have to see realistically where we open tomorrow. Either we open higher, right, or we open lower. But yeah, I'm gonna pay out for if there's a good short coming up, right? So let me just left shoulder, head, and this beautiful right shoulder off of teal right here. First, wait for that inverse cup to close, then take it off the handle off of teal right here, right? And then attack this level right here. We might have enough selling to even close this gap here at the 20-day, right? So that's a possible short loading up if that is in the cards tomorrow. But to even go long here, we need to wait for more liquidity to build, right? And take it at a good risk to reward ratio, because you notice this teal is very strong resistance, right? And then we can test teal and then head up and test these upper levels right here and close this cup right here, right? So yeah, that's the plays that we're looking out for. Pretty good week. Market today, Monday, was just setting it up, right? We can have a pretty good week, so just wait. We still can break out of this range, right? And then reject off a 50-day right here as well. If we start heading down from here, right? Because this can be a beautiful left shoulder head, and then right shoulder off of here, and then right shoulder off of here, and then another right shoulder off of here, right? So yeah, so pay attention. We have a long way to go if we're going down, so we have multiple chances, right? But if you're going up, you should definitely wait for better confirmations and then take the trade, right? Because realistically, right now, it just takes like 1 to 2 trades, right, to make it your week right now. So just be very pretty calm, collected, be the hunter, right? But realistically today, if you did want to trade, I really wouldn't have suggested it. Um, but the pink or the pink really showed out today. This was like the major algo, right? But you could see that we kept bouncing off of there, right? So we always found support at the pink, right? Um, right here, right? But just not the strong continuation, right? And that was what we were looking for, right? So it's okay. And again, we were at this top of this range, right? So I wouldn't really have like really wanted to take a trade regardless, right? But yeah, short video today. See you guys tomorrow. But the key is be patient, wait for the clear signal. We still have a pretty good room to play with this range, right? So if you don't break out tomorrow above, look at this range, and then even shorting it, you need to be careful, right? You need to respect the range, right, at the 655 level or the 50-day, whatever. Um, particularly the 50-day, you have to respect, because you can see the bounces from here, right? bounces from here, right? So yeah, so be careful of that, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.